Here is your next sum, children. For the annual examination, one 1,176 children were made to sit in 21 rooms. If every room had equal number of children, find the number of children sitting in one room. Okay, and the options are A 56, B 60, C 54, and D 42. Okay, so now in an examination hall, 1,176 children were made to sit in 21 rooms. So we have to find out how many children were sitting in a single room. Okay, so 1176 divided by 21. Okay, so now we will be multiplying and seeing the value. So let's see 21 into 5. 1 5s are 5, 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, we know that 21 into 6, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So it is 126, whereas it is here 117, right? So we will be going with 5. So here it is 105 and the 6 will come down. 7 minus 5 is 2, 1. So 21 into 6 is 126. So 6 here, 126, and your remainder is 0. So which means in one room there were 56 children who were sitting. Okay, that is option A. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay, so here is your next question. This question says, complete the pattern. Complete the given pattern. Okay, 4 divided by 2 equals to 2, dash divided by 2 equals to 20, 400 divided by 2 equals to something, and 4000 divided by 2 is equals to something. The option given here are A is 40, 200 and 2000. Option B 400, 20, 200. Option C 4, 200, 200. And option D, it's 4000, 200 and 2000. Okay, so now understand the pattern here. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Something divided by 2 is 20. Right, so we will multiply and see 20 into 2. 0 2s are 0, 2 2s are 4. So which means that here my answer will be 40. So if you see here, children, there is one strange pattern. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the numbers are the same. It's just the number of zeros which is getting added over here, right? When 4 is divided by 2, I get the answer 2. When 40 is divided by 2, I get the answer 20. So when 400 is divided by 2, what will be the answer I'll get? Very good. It will be 200 because the first numbers are remaining the same. How many zeros are added towards your right hand side? That many zeros are added towards my number here. Okay. So similarly, 4000 divided by 2 is how much? Good. It will be 2000. Okay. So if you see here, the 2 remains the same. The number of zeros that is adding in the ones and tens column, that many zeros are adding towards my end of the answer. Okay. So the answer is 40, 200 and 2000. That is option A. Clear? Shall we do one more question of this pattern? Okay. So here is your next question. The question says, again complete the pattern. Okay. And the question is 8000 divided by 4 is 2000. Dash divided by 40 is 200. 8000 divided by 400 is equals to dash. And dash divided by 4000 is equals to 2. And your options are A 8000, 20, 8000. Option B 8000, 200, 8000. Option C 8000, 2000, 8000. And option D 800, 200, 800. Okay. So now this is also following the same pattern that we have done earlier. So 8000 divided by 4 is 2000. Something divided by 40 is 200. So if I am increasing here 1 0, my answer here is reduced by 1 0, right? So we will anyway try to multiply and see 200 into 40. So 2 into 4 is 8. And how many zeros are there? We'll add there 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So which means it is 8000. So when 8000 I will be dividing by 40, I get the answer 200. So here it will be 8000 again. Next, 8000 divided by 400 is how much? So again 8000 divided by 400. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, right? So if I multiply by 2, it gives me 800. So here 2 times it becomes 800 and this 0 is carried here. So this will be 20. Okay. The last one says something divided by 4000 is 2. So again this will be how much, children? Just think and see. If I multiply this 4000 into 2, how much will I get? 8000, right? So here it will be 8000. So if you see here, when I am increasing the number of zeros in my divisor, this is also reducing. My quotient amount is reducing by that many zeros. In first case, there was no zero. So my divisor, my quotient was 2000. When the second case, when I increased here by 1 0, then this came to 200. In the third case, when I increased it to 2 zeros, then the answer became 20. And in the last case, when I added 3 zeros, my quotient became 2. Clear? So you have to understand this pattern each and every time. Instead of dividing or multiplying, if you understand the sequence, it becomes easy for you to solve the mental maths. Okay. So in this case, my answer is 8000, 20 and 8000, which is option A. Clear? So I guess you all enjoy doing the sums along with me. This division concept is clear for you. So see you all in the next video.